Hi, today I'm going to explain how to test authentication and authorization using Swagger. And I have public endpoints that can be accessed without login. I will get an error message. I got a 401 authentication required. So I need to be authenticated to edit this startup. Same thing if I want to delete it I need to be an admin to delete the startup. So when I try, I paste it, authentication required. Okay, so I need to be authenticated. Okay, so let me create a new user. Post and create user. Okay, so I'll say Patrick M, and his username will be Patrick M. I'll just copy that username here at gmail.com. And the password is 123456. Is a founder. So I've created my user. As you can see, 201, Patrick was created. So now I can sign in with Patrick's credential. Login. Write out. I'll say Patrick M at gmail.com. There we go. Oh, login successful. I got the token. So for my next movement, I can either enter the token here to authenticate all endpoints, or I can just enter it by endpoint. So now that I'm authenticated, I can get Patrick's profile. No need to add one token here anymore because I've already added for the entire API. There we go. I got Patrick's profile info. I can see he doesn't have any startup. I want to add a startup to Patrick. Remember, I saw some startups that already existed. And I can also check in my MongoDB if Patrick was created. Yes, Patrick is there. Now I need to edit Patrick. I got Patrick. Just need to add the ID because I've already signed it. I'm already signed in. I need to find the startup ID, the Congo Tech ID. Where is that? Here we go. I'm gonna close this one. Where's Patrick? Yeah, I'm going to add right here. This is the startup ID because I want Patrick and the startup to be connected and his startup to be connected. Body parameter. Okay, looks like I need double quotes. There we go. So Patrick has now one startup linked to him. And what else? I can drag in the user's profile. Where is that? User's profile, user profile. If I execute, yeah, I got Congo Tech under Patrick's profile, fintech industry founded in 2022. So Patrick endpoint is working. Now, what else can I paste it right here? And yeah, change the founder's name. It's not Baron Mob, it's Patrick M. And the word, his company is in Kansai, not in Gyeonggi. Now let's change this. And he sells, let's say, computers, laptops. He only has one product, but I can add second program. Servers. Let's say chairs, office chairs. Okay, I'm going to execute that. There we go. We have two products, office chairs and laptops, and it belongs to Patrick again. So Patrick can update a startup. Let's see if Patrick can delete the startup. He cannot because he's not an admin. Let's try it. I'm logged in as Patrick, but you're not authorized to perform this action. So now let me change Patrick's role. Get single startup. Make Patrick an admin. Put. Let's see if Patrick can become an admin. Okay, so Patrick is now an admin. What can he do? What can he perform now? He can get all users. Just have to click here. No, you're not. Huh. This is weird. I think I'm going to reload. Let's try again. Authentication required. So let's log in with Patrick. Credentials. Patrick M at gmail.com. And yes, Patrick is an admin now. Can you see all users? Let's see. Get all users. Oh, I need to pull the token again. Okay, I'll put it right here. Bearer and token. Authorize. Close. Okay. Now that Patrick is an admin, let's see if we can see all users. Yep, he can see all users. Nana is here. Diane is there. Audra is here. Patrick can see now all users. And let's see if Patrick can delete the startup. We'll need to pull a startup here. Get single. Just paste here. Execute. Yes, startup deleted successfully. Let's see if Patrick can delete another user, because as he can delete. No, he can delete himself. But he can also delete another user. So it looks like we've tested pretty much all the endpoints, and everything is running perfectly. So Patrick is here. He used to be a founder. If I update, I refresh, I can see that Patrick is now an admin. So his information has been updated. And again, my startups here, Do Yogurt has been deleted. If I refresh, it's gone. And I only have Patrick's business and Kissy Mesha. Well, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in a comment. I'll be more than happy to answer. And that'll be it for this video. We'll see each other next week in a new video.